getting your shrubs off to a good start in life doesn't really just end in planting. You need to do some basic pruning, some formative pruning, if you're going to get your shrub off to a really good start. And by taking some of the top growth off, you'll balance it more with the root growth, which means the plant will get really well established. So what sort of things can we prune off this plant? Well, to start with, we've got lots of twiggy growth around the bottom of the plant. It's just going to waste energy on the plant, so that can all come off for a start. So just go right down to the bottom of the plant, right down to the main stem, and prune that twiggy growth right back to the base. A few more little twiggy bits around here, a few wispy bits right down at the bottom, and then come back up through the plant, and you'll find that here we've got two branches that are crossing. They're very closely placed and they're crossing, and they'll just rub together and cause problems in later life for the shrub. So take one of those pairs of branches out, right down back to the main trunk again. And then if you come down again through the plant, look down to the main stem, there's a bit of broken twig there, that can come off. And again, some more little twiggy pieces around the back here. And then look at the rest of the shrub, and it's all quite long and lanky. And what we want to do is we want to encourage some really strong shoots to come from low down on the plant. So if we trace that back down this main stem, for example, come back down to about half its length and prune back there to a bud. And then prune here to a bud. And go round and cut back all these leader stems. Looks a bit brutal, but actually it will repay you dividends because it's making the plant more compact. And as I say, going to encourage some more stems to come from lower down on the plant. This very strong shoot at the back here, that can be pruned back by about half its length. And then a few broken pieces of twig this side that need to come off. I'm afraid to say I damaged that bit when I was planting it. And then the last few twiggy bits off at the bottom. And there you have it. A bit denuded, you might think, a bit gaunt, but that plant will soon recover. It will soon balance out its root growth, get really well established, and then it will grow really strongly and reward you for years to come.